I'm Dave Selecki, Powersports Product Line Manager for ProX here in the United States. And we have an exciting new product, our ProX Complete Crankshaft Assembly. Let's take a close look. The two-stroke ProX Complete Crankshaft Assembly. This high-quality assembly is extremely true, center to center, and very high tolerance machine, very high-quality materials. Most importantly, the ProX connecting rod assembly is manufactured in Japan from Japanese steel to exact OEM specifications. Very high quality, heat treated to our specifications. The rods are treated by barreling them, which softens the surface and removes any stress risers or inclusions on the surface of the forging. And also the small end bearing is a very important component that we include. Let's take a look at the ProX Complete Crankshaft Assembly for four-stroke application. As you can see, manufactured from high-quality forgings, trued center to center, very, very precise. So what that means is less vibration in your engine and less wear on your main bearings. High-quality Japanese connecting rod and components, enhanced pin oiling in the small end rod eye. So really a high-precision, high-quality item in the ProX Complete four-stroke crankshaft assembly. Every ProX Complete Crankshaft Assembly includes high-quality OEM-level bearings in the big end, and these washers also, and the big end pin. Now those are also manufactured in Japan, same as the connecting rod, so you're getting OEM-quality components throughout the crankshaft assembly. ProX Complete Crankshaft Assemblies are available for all popular two-stroke and four-stroke dirt bike and ATV applications, available at all popular dealers, and value priced.